Hey guys, Steve here from Sailing Peregrine. I'm at home now, obviously, but I wanted to take a second and discuss something that I've been kind of working on. So, boat bucks are a crazy thing, and if y'all own a sailboat, you know that pretty much anything you do or buy with a sailboat is probably 10 times more expensive than if it was not a sailboat. So in doing our upgrades for the boat, I've been working on trying to figure out a cockpit table for the boat, because we entertain a lot on the boat, and we kind of hang out in the cockpit and like to eat and have a cocktail at sunset and all that. But one of the things is we don't have really a cockpit table there, so it's kind of like you're putting your stuff on a cooler and that sort of thing. So the one thing I was looking at was a fold-up teak table. There's a couple companies that make it. Actually, I think it's one, and they just rebrand it as something different. But it's sort of this fold-up teak table that gets out of the way when you're sailing, and it's a really beautiful table. Unfortunately, those are like between $600 and $1,200 each. And just it's not really in the budget. So I started coming up with designs and trying to figure out something on my own and looking at what they did and try to create a different version of that, and I was able to do one on my own. So I created a cockpit table that is easily stowable. It collapses down. It attaches to the pedestal where the wheel is. I could break it down in maybe 20 seconds, 10 seconds, something like that. Solid teak, all stainless steel, marine grade hardware, and it's just an absolutely beautiful cockpit table that I'm just kind of finishing up now, but I want to take time and show it to you because I think it's really cool. So if you're doing boat projects like that, maybe take a look at stuff you could potentially do on your own rather than spending the money for it. So here's what I did, and if you have questions or you like them, shoot a comment out or reach out to me. Maybe I can help you out. Here we go.